Pisces Yearly Horoscope for 2021. With your sweet, sensitive, and loving soul, 2020 may have been especially challenging for you, Pisces. Not only do you suffer personally when the currents of fate are harsh, but you suffer empathetically for those you love as well, and for humanity in general. If you suffered any hardships or harshness in recent times, then you may feel a bit bruised and battered as you entered into 2021. However, this coming year has the potential to heal and help you forget what you have endured and fill you with hope and inspiration. You may find that many of your troubles begin to melt away very quickly, and to your imaginative mind, it may seem almost easy, almost like magic, and it should be. Even your bigger challenges will seem to coincidentally be met with solutions, either through lucky breaks or when you meet influential people who can help you. Your deeply intuitive nature often opens doors for you because you instinctively know which direction to take. But at times, that psychic aspect of you gets you into trouble because the vibes you pick up on are open to interpretation. This year, you may need to focus more on choosing to interpret potentially scary feelings as potentially wonderful possibilities, because that always exists. You are highly intelligent and you don't always pursue cerebral ventures as you should, which may leave you feeling stunted. This year, there will be more of the pursuit of knowledge for you, and will be enriching and invigorating.